Start.
Today we have received 5 ventilators from Scanray. They are scanned Respiro plus ventilators. Total 5 numbers have been delivered to us for especially for COVID purpose. We are installing them. I am telling you the installation process and little bit about the settings and what are available modes in the ventilator. Once we plug in the two plug-in connectors, one is for main ventilator and one is for compressor. There are two buttons. So we have to press once you connect them to the main circuit. One is for compressor, which is down here, and one is for system, it is here. Once we start them, the ventilator starts. It will show the what are available connections. Right now we don't have oxygen connector fitting into the system what we have. So what we have done is without oxygen supply we have started off. So it is self-testing on its own for the whether the oxygen supply is correct or whether the main circuit is connected or not. Everything it is analyzing. Once this is done, we have to rotate. So we will go to quick settings, default settings, previous settings and circuit settings. We will go to default settings for just initiation purpose. Once we press the default setting, it will show the defaulting already set values. We have respiratory rate value, FiO2 value, peak, tidal volume, which are incorporated from the system itself in the CMV mode. So if we are satisfied with this mode, we can start the ventilation immediately by just press and hold this button. The system started now. If you want to change any modes, you want to change any other mode you want, then there is a separate button. This is not a touch screen system. There are all buttons are incorporated into the main screen itself. So mode setting, once you press, you will have various modes. For selection, you can select whatever required mode. Then if you want to change the further inside the mode, you want to change any parameter, you can just press here. You can validate after confirmation. You can increase, decrease, or whatever changes you want to make, you can change the system, and it is very easy to operate. And you can, once you select the screen or required values, once the parameters are set, you can lock them. You don't want someone else to change your value, then you can lock total panel. If you want to readjust the values, then you can unlock it and change it. And there is a port for nebulization